In this week's court report, the man arrested after allegedly firing shots at a local wedding reception on Effinger Street Saturday night is scheduled for his first court appearance today at 4 p.m. Angel Merez Salcido allegedly shot two people, one in the head, the other in the foot. Fortunately, both victims were responsive when they were transported, but the person shot in the head may have lost his eye. The 49-year-old was arrested on Monday after a brief search for the shooting suspect. He is facing charges including attempted murder, battery with a deadly weapon, child abuse or neglect, and mayhem. Merez Salcido remains in custody with bail set at $717,500. His formal arraignment is set for May 9th. The man who led police on a high-speed chase of up to 60 miles per hour after allegedly kidnapping his ex stood before a judge again this morning. Johnny Latkes unconditionally waived his right to a preliminary hearing today and also had one of his cases bound over to district court. During this morning's proceedings, the prosecuting attorney said the suspect has 6 cases on calendar in July, but 2 of those cases were set for dismissal today. Latkes is accused of kidnapping his ex-girlfriend back on March 29th, taking her car, cell phone, and other belongings, then leading authorities in hot pursuit a few days later. Latkes' subsequent police chase resulted in a single vehicle rollover on Happy Lane between Charleston Park and Highway 372 on April 4th after police chased him throughout the west side of town. The 30-year-old suspect was the only occupant in the vehicle and sustained multiple injuries. Latkes remains in custody with his district court date set for June 13th and his justice court cases, which were already on calendar, scheduled for July 6th. The local attorney facing 8 counts of animal abuse and neglect charges, including being over dog and cat limits and torture and cruelty to animals, was a no-show in court on Monday. So a no bail warrant was issued for her arrest. Nancy Lord had a revocation hearing set, but today Justice Court clerks said Lord's attorney, Thomas Gibson, told the court on Monday that he has not been able to contact his client since April 25th. Lord was arrested back on January 14th on a bench warrant after failing to appear in court for her alleged animal control violations. Nancy Lord also has 3 other cases separate from the one that was set for a revocation hearing that are scheduled for a bench trial, which was continued to May 17th. Lord bailed out on April 19th for $4,000 cash. Court clerks say Lord is still at large. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.